Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about adjective. First of all we will see the definition. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. There are many things that it could tell us about a noun. By seeing a definition we can understand that an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. Now we will see the examples. First of all, we will see the first example. Ravi is a naughty boy. In this sentence, a word naughty is an adjective, and here it is telling about more about a noun. Noun here as a Ravi. So it is telling about a noun. So in this sentence, Ravi is a boy. So here the question arises, what kind of a boy? So here adjective tell about more about a noun. So here in this sentence Ravi is a naughty boy. So here that word is used especially for Ravi. So Ravi is a naughty boy. Now we will see the second sentence. Can you show me the pink pen? In this sentence a word pink is used here as an adjective. In this sentence the question arises, which pen? So here pink pen. Can you show me the pink pen? So in this sentence a pen is a noun. An adjective is telling about a noun. Now we will see the third sentence. There are 4 computers in the room. A word 4 is used here as an adjective and it is telling about a noun. So here computer is used here as a noun. Okay, so there are 4 computers in the room. So in this sentence the question arises, how many computers? There are 4 computers in the room. Here we should know more about an adjective. An adjective describes or points out or tells us the number or quantity of a noun. That's why it is called a describing word. An adjective that describe or point out the word also and tell about the number also and quantity also. Now we will discuss kinds of adjectives. There are 9 kinds of adjectives. First of all we will see adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, distributive adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, proper adjectives. Now we will see the point first. Adjective of quantity describe the kind, quality or state of a noun. They answer the question of what kind, or in another way we can say these are the words that give us information about the questions of a noun or pronoun. Here we will see the examples: good, bad, clean, sweet, nice. We can use these words in a sentence also. Maria is a good girl. It is a clean city. These mangoes are sweet. It is nice book. Now we will see the second point, that is adjectives of quantity. Tell us how much of a thing there is. They are used for uncountable nouns. They answer the question how much. Or in another word we can say these are the measuring words that tell us about the quantity of uncountable nouns. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. And here is some examples: some, little, much, enough. We can use such word in a sentence also. They have little knowledge about this book. Please give me some coffee. Reena spends much money. They have enough money to spend. Remaining thing we will see in next video. Okay, bye. Then see in the next video.